Hello and welcome to this video presentation of the rules of service. These simple steps can certainly make your day easier. 1. When 2 or more people are dining together, serve the entire group at the same time. 2. Serve ladies first. 3. Number guests on your order, so you can serve without asking who ordered which item. 4. Do not lean on the table when writing your order. Stand straight and rest checks in hand. 5. Always use a cocktail tray when carrying drinks or glasses to the table. Silverware should be carried on a dinner plate with a napkin. 6. Never place a cocktail tray on the table when serving. Tray should rest in one hand while serving drinks with the other. 7. Beverages should always be served from the right. 8. Wine should be poured from the right, filling the glasses 2/3. 9. When serving, do not lean across guests. Move around the table and serve from correct side, rather than reaching across guests. All food is served from the left with the left hand. Clear from the right. 10. Clear plates only when everyone at the table has finished the course during a la carte service. During buffets, plates can be cleared individually when finished so that guests have the option to visit the buffet again. Clear cocktail glasses as soon as they are empty and ask if they would like another. 11. Serve plates with the entree facing the guest and any side item or garnish facing the center of the table. 12. Soiled silverware should be removed after a course and replaces with the necessary clean silverware needed before the next course is served. Always use a linen-lined tray to replace the silverware. 13. Clear table completely after the entree is finished. This includes bread and butter plates and bread basket. Empty glasses and any clean silverware no longer needed. Water glasses should remain and be refilled. Unfinished drinks should also remain. Crumb table to deposit crumbs into a small plate at the end of the table. 14. A bus pan should never be brought to the table. Use either a tray or use your hands to carry items away from the table. 15. Clear the table quietly, avoid clattering dishes and glasses. 16. Distribute dessert menus after the table has been cleared and crumbed. 17. Be sure your bus person observes the rules of service. He or she will learn from you how to properly service a table. 18. Present check in a checkbook with a pen. It should be put down as soon as you think the guest is finished. 19. For sanitary reasons, observe the following rules. A. Do not touch the rims of the glasses or cups. B. Touch silverware by handles only. C. Keep fingers along the rim of the plate rather than touching the inside of the plate and food. Please keep these points in mind, and if you have any questions, contact your manager.